third, fourth, and fifth ribs, and inserts upon the what? Coracoid process of the scapula. Notice that the short tendon of the biceps, okay, is originating from the coracoid process. Those are the two muscles that attach to the coracoid process. Here, number 17 is the long head that's slipping through the intertubercular groove. Notice number 18, they have cut away the pectoralis major. Look at this muscle here. What is this one here? Here. Sternocleidomastoid, yeah. Sternocleidomastoid. So if you were to dissect cadavers, this is how it would look on a cadaver. All right, there's one more muscle of the upper extremity we should talk about that originates from the distal shaft of the humerus and inserts upon the radius, okay, just proximal to the styloid process in the radius. All right. This is called the brachioradialis. The brachioradialis. And it's going to contribute to flexion. What's unusual about the brachioradialis is this, is that it's innervated by the radial nerve. And the radial nerve is famous for providing innervation to all of the extensor muscles along the posterior aspect of the other extremity. But in this case, it's picking up a flexor muscle, which is unusual for the radial nerve. Now, I want everybody to demonstrate their brachioradialis. Kind of lift up your sleeves, if you will. Let's see who's got the best brachioradialis.
Probably me.
Now this isn't a bad, look at this. Go ahead, shake hands, just shake. Okay, this is it right here. Okay, let's see what you got. Yeah, that's it. Now bend a little bit, flex, and then grab, squeeze.
That was the first thing you told me when we met.
What's that?
Something about my handshake and my brachioradialis.
Now, if you have too much subcutaneous fat, you're not going to see it real well.
Thanks.
He low-key just told us it.
He's like, oh, you're off.
All right. Now,
Oh, what kind of strong were you?
Did you fix it?
let's see, do you have
Did you fix
I do.
it?
That's kind of broken.
It's kind of broken.
All right, go ahead and extend.
Here's the first
Pull this up as much as you can.
This is the second time I've written this, so because I watched the video for the other class so I could do the Quizlet. So you can full on have that if you want.
Serious?
Yeah, I have one at home. You can have every note I take today. I already watched the other class
You're
video.
taking notes for me?
Yeah.
You're too good.
Let's try it. Let's see what you have.
Abby's like,
Now
no.
relax. Just left hand. Left hand. You feel it? Relax. Let it drop. Let it drop. Look right here. Okay. Same here. You're gonna see. Relax,
Sarah's like,
fall.
yes.
Now, the brachioradialis reflex is a little bit tougher to elicit than some of the others, but you can see how variable it is. Most people have kind of a 1+ reflex for brachioradialis. It's not as prominent as the knee-jerk
1+.
reflex, but you should be able to elicit some movement. All right.
You can say what you want to.
All right, so on this fella here, that's going to be the brachioradialis right here. All
Did
right.
we say origin and insertion, or did I miss that?
Yeah, the origin is from the distal third of the humerus. It inserts upon the distal radius, just proximal to the styloid process.
I can get used to this.
Used to.
Jordan's taking notes for me.
Well, no,
I
think you're gonna find-
already took all these notes, so
I
I'm just
think you're going
taking
to find
notes.
that if you sit down and focus, okay, distraction free, you're going to be picking up a lot more info. Do you feel like you're picking up more?
Uh-huh.
Okay, just listen, just
I don't know if
enjoy.
I'll retain it though, because my brain like works better when I write and
Okay, so we're gonna test your retention now. Okay?
it sucks.
No, I think you're gonna be good.
My
What three
handwriting's
muscles,
pretty bad. Oh.
let me ask some questions. What three muscles insert upon the intertubercular groove?
The latissimus dorsi, the mini lat, which is the teres minor,
Major.
and
Stop throwing those.
What's the
the
third?
pectoralis major.
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 Maybe,
minor-
so,
the minor
so it's
inserts
amazing,
upon
you're
the-
starting to already memorize these muscles. Okay, I'm gonna write this up. Just bring you up close, okay? A distraction-free zone here, except for Jordan.
I told her to yell at me if I distract her. I said at the beginning of class, I said, if I do anything to distract you, please tell me.
All right, a second question,
Oh God.
okay? Ready? What is the name of the muscle that sits deep to the biceps brachii?
The brachialis.
Brachialis, okay. Now, what is the insertion for the biceps?
For the biceps, it inserts upon the radial something,
Tuberosity.
tuberosity.
What is the insertion for the brachialis?
The ulna.
All right, specifically, what projection on the ulnar?
The coracoid.
Not coracoid, but coronoid.
Coronoid. Oh,
Coronoid.
dang
Oh my
it.
God,
I
Jordan.
told her the wrong answer.
All right, so what
Sorry,
two,
sorry, did that
what
for
two
me
muscles attach to the coracoid process of the scapula?
The pectoralis minor and the tricep? No.
Biceps. The
Biceps.
short head, the biceps. Okay, but you're doing well. What is the insertion for the triceps muscle?
The insertion is the olecranon.
The olecranon. Wow, this new system seems to be working.
I'm pretty sure, never mind.
Do
I'm pretty sure that you would have gotten all those answers
you
right.
think you'd have gotten them right anyway?
Maybe.
Yeah, I think
Okay.
you would have.
Maybe.
Maybe for the second half of class, you should let her take notes.
And
And
see
then
what
see-
produces better results.
You want to try that? You want to try taking notes for the second half and we'll test you again?
Sure.
Do you want my pen?
Okay. Yeah.
Are you going to intentionally speak very quickly?
No, yeah.
I have hand sanitizer.
All right, let's take a break. Let's take a break.